Okay guys, so you can see here we have Coca-Cola with lemon, zero sugar, lemon, you know, the citron. And we live in Norway, so this is new Coca-Cola taste. So very excited. It's time to unbox. Oh, that did not work. Let's try other option. Very nice. So you can see there is air bubble coming up. So yes, it's very nice pressure in this bottle. So let's try taste. That was very good. Thank you.